collection framework concept. See, very most important concept. Why should we go with collection framework is a only thing. Understand? Listen, what is the meaning of variable? What is the meaning of variable? See, I am telling how to go for collection framework. When should we go for collection framework? What is the meaning of variable? Storing the data. See, by using one variable, we can store how many data? One data. I want to store two data. So how many variables is required? Two. If I want to store three variables, how many variables required? Three. I'll tell int c is equals to 30. Next, int d is equals to 40. Next, int e is equals to 50. Now, if I want to store 5 data, how many variable is required? 5. If I want to store 10,000 data, how many variable is required? 10,000. Is it easy to create? Tough. Is it easy to access? No. By using variable approach, it is easy. It is very tough to. It is very tough to create, and it is very difficult to access. See, I can create from A to Z. After that, we have to keep A1, A2, A3. Creating 10,000 variable is easy or tough? Tough. And that is what made us to go with array approach. What is array? Array is nothing but collection of data. What is collection of data? I can directly tell int ar is equals to new int. I'll tell the size. I'll tell something called 10. It means what? We can store the 10 data value. How to access the data? We can tell ar of 0. We can tell what? ar of 0, ar of 1, ar of 2, ar of 3, ar of 4, ar of 5. Like this, we can keep on accessing. Understanding what is a problem in variable approach? It is difficult to create, difficult to access. That is why you have to go with what approach? Array approach. In array approach, we can store a number of data. Very easy. But there is one problem in array also. What is a problem in array? Can I tell? So array is fixed in size. Array can't grow. If I tell 10, it means only 10 value data is fixed. Can I grow more? Can I grow more? It is impossible. Okay, but there is again a more problem in array. What is a problem in array? It is a homogeneous in nature. What is homogeneous in nature? It stores only same kind of data. If I tell int, only int is allowed. If I tell string, only string is allowed. These two problems. Now there is a third problem. In array, there is no inbuilt methods. If I tell add, it will not get add. If I want to add the data, we have to tell AR of 0, AR of 1, AR of 2. Telling it is tough or easy? Tough. That is why we have to go with the next important concept over this is collection framework. What is collection framework? I'll tell you. What is collection? Collection is nothing but group of objects. Group of object means datas, and data can be string is an object or not an object. Integer is an object or not an object. Wrapper class helps comes here. Now what is wrapper class? Converts primitive in the form of non-primitive. Now character is a group of object. Every group of object I can store. And not only this, see, collection framework gives us to store homogeneous data and heterogeneous data, but in array only homogeneous data. But in collection framework we can store what? Homogeneous as well as heterogeneous. And collection framework is growable in nature. Collection framework is growable in nature, and it is we can grow. Okay, and we have inbuilt methods for data operation such as remove method, contains method, check method. Present data is not there, but in array it is not there, and that is the advantage of collection framework. Understood?